So before moving any further, I urge you all to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and set the notifications to all to never miss a future update. Thank you. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I'll be going to teach you how to fix your WhatsApp contacts which are not showing. See, none of my contacts are showing. It's all numbers or some of my groups. And I'll show you once again. See, none of the numbers, though I have saved all the numbers, but still there are none of the numbers being displayed here. You can see here also there are no WhatsApp contacts, and it's a pretty frustrating problem, so I'll tell you how to fix it. So the first thing you have to do is you have to uninstall the dual WhatsApp, and this video is especially for the dual WhatsApp users, and for the regular WhatsApp I'll give you a fix at the end. So first thing, you have to delete the dual WhatsApp. See, I deleted it. Then you have to go to settings, and once you are in settings you have to search for dual apps. Okay, see, now I'll search dual apps, dual messenger. Alright, so you have to click the first option, and it will redirect you to a separate page. See, I clicked it, and then you have to select dual messenger, and then you have to turn off the option for separate contact list, because this is the only option which is causing all the problem. So the first thing you have to do is to switch off that option and select that, and it's asking to use your regular contacts, and select it. So it will use the same contacts for the dual WhatsApp too, and it won't make a separate contact list, which is quite hectic. So you have to then open, you have to check it, and I'm checking it, I'm putting my number and all. So friends, until then, if you like this video, please subscribe, please like this video if it helped you a lot. So then you have to allow the contacts and numbers, the permission to allow, and it will verify your number. Verification is complete. Now you have to allow contacts and media now, and you don't need to, like, if you have quite a lot of important message, you can take a backup of all the important messages before doing this step, before deleting your app data. So friends, you can see now also none of my numbers are showing, so I have to check somewhere else now. Now you have to go in WhatsApp, and you have to select information tab. Alright, so and go to app permissions and give it the permission of contacts. See, contacts is not allowed. I'll again do the step for you. I'll once again do the step for you, and you have to go in the permissions, and then you have to allow the contacts. See, contacts is not allowed, and it hasn't accessed since the past 24 hours. So you have to now allow the contacts, and now we'll again see whether it works or not. So again, like, it's not displaying all the contacts, and I think it's again one more problem here. So if it happens to you, don't worry, then you have to force stop the app and again try whether it shows or not. It's still not showing anything, and if the same happens with you, then don't panic. Just go again to the information tab and see what is wrong there. You can clear the storage, you can try clearing the data and cache it too, and then you have to again check whether it's working or not. So we have to log in again. I'll put my number, and let's see whether it works this time or not. So it's verifying. You have to allow contacts and media for it, for the WhatsApp, for the app to access it. You have to allow contacts, the storage, you have to put your name there, and if you have any backups, you can wait for the backup to install, and see, it's now initializing here, and let's see whether it works this time or not. So boom, see, it's working now. And if it worked for you as well, then please subscribe this channel, it will help me a lot, and comment down below please.